Hello, cousin. I always figure if you speak with a British accent, these videos seem to have more merit. But I'm only going to do it at the beginning, and now I'm going to switch to my real self. Okay, so the pentatonic shapes we were talking about, you've been working on it in the 5th fret, which you said is here. So that's actually a minor pentatonic if you were playing. So everything would work in A. So I'm going to show you an E to where if we were. So E is going to be at the 12th fret for your first shape, and also back here at 0. And I'll explain that in just a second. But the same thing you've been doing. Can you zoom in a little bit, babe? So 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. But if I come down to the end of the neck, it's the exact same shape, but your 1 finger isn't on the fretboard. It's actually a 0, which makes it very easy to play because you only have to, you do open string and then your 4th, 3rd, and so on. And I usually use my 3rd finger. There's no reason to use your 4th. So it would be 1, 4, 1, 4. Notice these are all open, which is the same as. So it's just the octave. So now you can go. So you have both spots to work. So when you're practicing it, practice open, open, open. And then come up in here and do your 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Obviously I'm doing 12th and 15th and 12th and 14th fret. Now, last thing I wanted to show you real quick, because my wife's got to go to work, so I'm trying to make this video short, is on the end of each of this first shape, I'm just going to show you a small part of the second shape, but it gives you a lot of variation. So if I start on 10 and go to 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. That's the back of that shape, but it allows me to do this. So it just adds those lower end notes, and at the same time, the more important one is this little triangle shape in front of shape 1, which goes from 15 to 17, 15 to 17, and then 16. And the reason I say triangle, everybody calls it a triangle because it kind of looks like it. Sorry. Well, let me show you why that's important. So just like you could do the slide, I can slide out of that. So what you want to practice is 10, 12, 10, 12, slide, 12, 14, 12, 14, slide to 16, 15, 17, 15, 17, and then just do that back down. And that allows you to be able to go. And there's a lot more stuff you can do when you add that triangle in. I'm going to send this to you. Hopefully it turns out okay, and I hope that's a little bit helpful for your practice and explaining the minor pentatonic scale.